Namaskar. To address the water scarcity of the nation, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, in his second term, took the initiative and created Ministry of Jal Shakti. The ministry is working round the clock to bring effective changes in making country a water sufficient nation. In continuity of its plans for water conservation and the last year's mega campaign Jal Shakti Abhiyan, the Jal Shakti Ministry under the National Water Mission had started a nationwide campaign, Catch the Rain Where It Falls. All the states and stakeholders have started taking important measures to fulfill this goal, like developing sustainable rainwater harvesting structures, removing encroachments, desilting reservoirs or tanks to increase their capacity before the onset of monsoon. To facilitate these activities, rain centers are also opened in each districts, collectorates and municipalities. Technical guidance is to be given by trained personnel of the center to all to how to catch rain as it falls, where it falls. I am certain that this year, with the participation already in the place, our officers and the citizens together will be able to harvest more rainwater to use or to recharge groundwater resources, which can be a solution to water woes of the country. Come forward, let us pledge for Catch the Rain Where It Falls.